We're going to attach the pockets now. They're going to go on like this at either side, and we'll measure down and then place them. It's quite simple. The key with these is, if you're not using a plain fabric like I am, is you need to know the directions of your pockets and which way they're going. So you need to have two pairs. They get lined up like this, and we sew them very simply, just in the inseam pocket style. We're going to be attaching the waistband here at about 1/2 inch. We want to come down about 2 inches from that, so it works out to be about 6 centimeters or 2.5 inches from the top of your skirt. The first seam we sew when we're attaching this is a little seam here. Line up our pocket bag with the edge of the skirt, and I'm going to sew a 5mm or a 1/4 inch seam down here. That's going to give me enough room to then bring it out like this, press it, and then put an edge stitch down there. So it should look like this, and then we come in here and we do an edge stitch along there to hold it down. So you see the edge stitch there? Right up against the edge of this pocket, and that's what you're going to see from the outside once this seam goes together. So I'll go away and press that, and then we'll get on with the side seam. Very simple. Again, this is all extremely simple sewing, which is what makes it so good. So we literally bring our side seams together and we sew down and around our pocket bag, then continue on down the side seam to the hem. So the silhouette of the skirt, we're just going down, around, and all the way down to the hem. There's your pockets, and remember to press them and the seams with them to the front of your skirt. So when you reach into your pocket, you're reaching forwards rather than reaching back.